Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter of class 12 mathematics. Is chapter number 10, vector algebra. Okay, before starting this chapter, we have to understand two quantities. Okay, first one is scalar quantity and second one is vector quantity. Okay, so see, first scalar quantity. A quantity that has only magnitude is called a scalar. Okay, a quantity that has only magnitude is called scalar. No need to direction. Okay, example: mass, speed, distance, time, area, volume, density, temperature, etc. Okay, next, second one is vector quantities. A quantity that has magnitude as well as direction. Okay, is called a vector. We have to understand vector algebra, so we have to study about vector quantities. Example: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, weight, momentum, electric field, intensity, etc. Line segment is a vector denoted as vector AB or simply vector A. Read as vector AB or vector A. The point A from where the vector AB starts is called its initial point, and the point B is called ends, is terminal points. Okay, so here point A is initial point and point B is the terminal point. The distance between initial and terminal point, okay, the distance between initial and terminal points of a vector is called the magnitude of a vector, denoted as magnitude AB or A. Okay, the arrow indicates the direction of the vector. Okay, the arrow indicates the direction of the vector. Is it clear? Okay, next, directed line. Okay, a line with one of these direction prescribed is called a directed line. Now see, suppose there is a one straight line. Okay, so now we have to draw one line segment from the line. Okay, from these. Okay, now we have to indicate the arrow. Okay, so directed line segment has magnitude as well as directions. Okay, next, position vector. Consider a point P in space having coordinates x, y, z with respect to the origin or 0, 0, 0. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0, 0. Then the vector OP having O and P is the initial and terminal points respectively, means O is the initial point and P is the terminal points respectively, is called the position vector of the point P with respect to O. Using distance formula, the magnitude of OP, vector OP or R is given by magnitude OP is equals to under root x square plus y square plus z square, because we have to write x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square, but x minus 0 will be x, so we can write x square plus y square plus z square in under root. Okay, now next, direction cosines dc and direction ratio di. Consider the position vector OP or vector R of a point P x y z. The coordinate of P is x y z. The angles alpha, beta and gamma made by the vector R with the positive directions of x, y and z axis respectively are called its direction angle. So here alpha, beta and gamma we have to write. Okay, the cosine value of these angles, that is cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, are called direction cosine. Okay, one of the important one of the vector r, and usually denoted by L, M and N respectively. We have to denote small l, m and n for direction cosine, and direction cosine is given by cos alpha is equals to x upon vector r magnitude. It gives magnitude. Okay, cos beta is equals to y upon magnitude r, and cos gamma equal to z upon magnitude r, vector r. Okay, the numbers LR, MR and NR proportional to direction cosines are called as direction ratios of vector r and denoted as A, B and C respectively. One of the important one note is not that L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. It is, but A square plus B square plus C square does not is equals to 1. Okay. Okay, next, types of vectors. Okay, so first type of vector is zero vector, or it is also known as null vector. Okay, so a vector whose initial and terminal points coincide is called a zero vector. Means point. Okay, see this point. Okay, it is indicate zero vector, and it is denoted as zero. Zero vector cannot be assigned a definite direction as it has zero magnitude, or alternatively otherwise it may be regarded as. Okay, next, unit vector. A vector whose magnitude is unity, that is 1 unit, is called a unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of a given vector A is denoted by A cap. Okay, it is a symbol of unit vector. It is, we have to read as A cap. Okay, next, coinitial vector. Two or more vectors having the same initial point are called coinitial vector. Means, okay, suppose this is the vector A. Okay, and we have to draw a second vector B. Okay, its initial point is same. Okay, start from here, B, vector B. So it is known as co-initial vector because two vectors A and B, there are both initial point are same. Is it clear? Next, collinear vectors. Two or more vectors are said to be a collinear if they are parallel to the same line, irrespective of their magnitude and direction. Okay, also we can write if vector A is equals to K times vector B. Okay, equal vectors. Two vectors A and vector B are said to be equal if they have the same magnitude and direction, regardless of the position of their initial points, and written as vector A is equals to vector B. Now see, suppose this is the vector A. Okay, vector A. Next, vector B is the, or two vectors are parallel. Okay, this is the vector B. Now see, magnitude and direction of vector A and B are same, so A and B are equal vectors. Okay, it is always a parallel. Okay, otherwise it is not a equal vector. Okay, is it clear? Next and last types of vector is negative vector. Negative of a vector. A vector whose magnitude is the same as that of a given vector but direction is opposite. See, now see, to that of it is called negative of the given vector. For example, vector BA is negative of vector AB, written as vector BA is equal to minus vector AB. Suppose vector direction of vector A is the left to right. Okay, this is the vector A, and we have to write vector B. The direction of vector B is opposite. Okay, it is again it is a parallel, but direction is opposite. Okay, so in the case the vector A is equal to, we can write minus vector B. So here I hope you understood the basic things of vector algebra. Okay,